Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to identify or how to display the top one customer who was spent more than others in Power BI using text function. So in this we have created a one table visual. In the table the first column is a customer name and sales amount. So here you can find the top one customer Cian Miller. So we need to display in the name in the card visual. So I have created a just a second, I have created a best customer visual. So in this we have used a top one function. So we pass a top one function for, and in the table we have pass a value. So values written the table of the customer name and sales amount descending, so it's pick a higher sales amount name. So this is a result. So here's the easiest way to display the customer who has spent the most. Thank you for watching.